Welcome to my channel. This is Vicky. Today we'll be practicing how English speakers cut off or shorten words. This is called connected speech reduction. To understand others and sound like a native speaker. These are very common. Native speakers use these all the time. So if you want to understand when watching TV, movies, or normal conversation, you should know these. Let's go! We'll start by practicing the word, meaning, and pronunciation. Then sentences for each word. Hopefully, you may be familiar with some of them. Cause. Because. Cause. Gonna. Going to. Gonna. Let me. Let me. Let me. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Cause. I couldn't go to the party 'cause I had to work. She's upset 'cause her flight got canceled. Gonna. I'm gonna go to the store later. Are you gonna go to the concert? Yeah, I'm gonna go. Let me. Let me see if I have any change. Hey, let me know if you need any help. Let me know. Can you let me know what time you'll be there? Let me know if you change your mind. Kinda. Kind of. Kinda. Kinda like. Kind of like. Kinda like. Gotta. Got to. Gotta. Gotta go. Got to go. Gotta go. Kinda. The movie was kinda boring. It's kinda cold outside. Kinda like. This restaurant is kinda like the one we went to last week. I kinda like this song. It's catchy. Gotta. I gotta leave early today. We've gotta finish this project by Friday. Gotta go. Sorry, I gotta go. I'm running late. I just got a call from work. Gotta go in for an emergency. Notice the first gotta is not gotta. It's got a or got a means received a call. Not gotta like gotta go. Wanna. Want to. Wanna. Wanna be. Want to be. Wanna be. Sorta. Sort of. Sorta. Shoulda. Should have. Shoulda. Wanna. Do you want to go out for dinner tonight? I really want to learn how to play guitar. Wanna be. I want to be a firefighter someday. I don't want to be late for the meeting. Sorta. I'm sorta hungry, but not really. That movie was sorta scary. Shoulda. I shoulda called you earlier. We shoulda left earlier to avoid traffic. Woulda. Would have. Woulda. Coulda. Could have. Coulda. Have to. Have to. Have to. Outer. Out of. Outer. Woulda. If If I had known about the sale, I would have bought more. He would have been here sooner, but he got lost. Coulda. I could have sworn I left my phone here. She could have done better on the test if she had studied more. Have to. I have to finish this report before the deadline. We have to wake up early tomorrow for the meeting. Oughta. I'm almost out of gas. I need to fill up soon. We're out of milk. Can you pick some up on your way home? Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Whatcha? What are you? Whatcha? Y'all. You all. Y'all. Ain't. Ain't can be used for am not, is not, are not, has not, have not, aren't, and isn't. It's used in many forms. It's pronounced ain't. We'll talk about this a little bit later. Don't know. I don't know what time the movie starts. Sorry, I don't know the answer to that question. Whatcha? Hey, what you doing later tonight? What you thinking about? Y'all and ain't. These two words are not as common, but they're used by some people, so I included them here. Please note, ain't is not proper English. As I said, I will explain later. Y'all. Hey y'all, how's it going? Are y'all coming to the party tonight? Ain't. I ain't gonna go to the movies tonight. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, let's talk about this word ain't. You may have heard people using the word ain't in casual conversation or in popular music, but it's important to note that this word is not considered proper English. Ain't is a contraction of, as I said before, am not, is not, are not, has not, or have not. It's often used in place of other contractions like aren't or isn't, but it's generally informal. In most formal situations, it's best to avoid using ain't and use a more standard contraction, as I mentioned before, instead. This is especially true in academic writing, where it's seen as unprofessional and as an uneducated word. So while ain't may be a common word in some settings, remember that it's not considered proper English and should be avoided in most formal, professional situations or when you're speaking to more educated people. Don't risk sounding like an uneducated person using ain't when you're around professional people. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something in this lesson. Yes, I will add more of these words in another lesson. Great job and continue learning. Thank you for practicing with me. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you could find me again. Also, to view other videos, hit my channel name, Visionary Vicky, then hit videos. Sometimes I put links in the description, so be sure to read that. See you next time. Bye-bye.